Vamos! Let's explore what's in Wonderland Lisboa. Wonderland Lisboa just started on the 1st of December this year, and it will last until next year, January 5th. And we are in the center of Lisbon. We are in Parque Eduardo VII, and you can see there are a lot of people behind me enjoying this wonderful place. The good thing about this event is that it's free. You can bring your friends and family here, and you can enjoy this big Christmas tree and with its photo booth. Everyone can enjoy this 26-hectare public park in the city center along with their friends and families during this Christmas season. Kids can go on a carousel with their parents or can go alone. Or kids with those brave hearts can try this trampoline. Or simply live the moment. It's Christmas anyway. Just go stroll around in this wonderful place. There are rides like this that we all want to do, rain or shine. As you can see, the kids are having fun with their parents. You can also try having a snapshot on this side of the Wonderland Lisboa. Or give high five to Mr. Snowman. Kids like it a lot. Mr. Snowman also assists in the family photo shoot. As you can see, he is giving you a pose. There are performances like this band to keep our spirits high. The scene during this time is even more beautiful. You can never feel lonely or bored as there are plenty of things to do in here, allotted for Wonderland Lisboa. And if you want to see the city skyline, the Ferris wheel is here to cater you. Hot beverages like this are also served in the Wonderland Lisboa. Here you can witness also the craftsmanship of the Portuguese people, or simply buy a gift or two for you or for your loved ones. But when you get hungry, worry no more. Food stalls are everywhere, ready to satisfy your craving. Foreign food or typical Portuguese snacks are here to serve you. And what's more to see here in Wonderland Lisboa? Maybe simply ignite the child in you during the season of giving and sharing. Who here doesn't want to visit the house of Santa? I guess everyone wants to visit. It's kinda long queue, but it's always worth the wait. The happy and hardworking elves are here to facilitate you upon entry of the house of Santa Claus. They make the atmosphere even livelier as they are talking to kids and asking them questions about Christmas. They also serve as your patient photographer for your family photo shoot on a sleigh. Letters to Santa Claus and gifts from him are displayed in his home. It rekindles in us what Christmas used to be when we were kids. We're full of hopes, dreams, and wishes. I hope that we always bring back the kids in us. Should not only be during this Christmas season, but as long as we live. Feliz Natal! Merry Christmas, everyone! I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe and share this channel, Explore with Micah, to your friends and family. Thank you. Obrigado. Adios.